Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. The topic which we are going to discuss today is for class 11th, subject political science, and the topic is powers and functions of the Supreme Court. This is the important topic. The Supreme Court of India is the highest court in the country and therefore performs important functions. The Supreme Court of India has been vested with original, appellate and advisory jurisdictions. There are different functions performed by the Supreme Court, and I had mentioned some of the important ones were here. First one is original jurisdiction. The Supreme Court can directly hear several cases which cannot be heard by any other court. It has an original jurisdiction in any dispute. Non-political disputes between the states and between the government of India and the states can go to the Supreme Court. Appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court can hear appeals against the decisions of high courts. It can hear the appeals in civil cases as well as the criminal cases. Supreme Court has appellate jurisdiction in constitutional cases also. Constitutional cases involving substantive point of law requiring the interpretation of the Constitution can be appealed in the same court. After this, one of the important function is advisory jurisdiction. The President of India can seek the advice of the Supreme Court in respect of any legal matter. Article 143 and dispute Article 143 second of high public importance. But such an advice is not binding on President. Now there is one more function performed by the Supreme Court, that is jurisdiction in respect of fundamental rights. The Supreme Court has the power to issue orders, directions and writs. Article 32 for the enforcement of fundamental rights of the people as enshrined in Part 2 of the Constitution. Another important function is guardian of the Constitution. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. It is the constitutional right of the Supreme Court to safeguard the Constitution. These were some of the important functions of the Supreme Court, and in next lecture we will discuss some other important questions. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.